Can we do it then?
A drone can be equipped with advanced technology, powerful sensors, and intelligent systems. But at the end of the day, every successful mission depends on the person operating it. As drone technology is being adopted across sectors such as agriculture, infrastructure, surveying, and inspections, the need for skilled drone pilots is becoming increasingly important. Many people assume that flying a drone is simply about using a remote controller. In reality, professional drone operations involve much more. Pilots need to understand airspace awareness, safety procedures, weather conditions, mission planning, and operational protocols before every flight. They must also make decisions in real time. Changing weather, site conditions, and operational requirements can all influence how a mission is carried out. Beyond flying, drone pilots often work with aerial data, reporting workflows, and project teams to support operational objectives. As drone applications continue to expand, organizations require professionals who can operate drones responsibly, safely, and efficiently. Through structured training and practical experience, institutions and organizations such as Garuda Aerospace help develop the skills needed for professional drone operations. Because the future of drone technology is not just about smarter machines, it's also about skilled professionals who know how to use them effectively.